Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. I haven't been here for a while. I've been busy, a bunch of remodel and a bunch of stuff going on here and there. I didn't really have too much time for YouTube. I'm trying to make time, and anyways, as you guys probably watched my last video, I mentioned that I got all my stage 3 parts for my Volvo S60, the red one, the T6R design 3.0 liter. So I got my manifold that's ported and ceramic coated. I also got my 750cc injectors, and I also got my custom hybrid turbo. And today I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about the turbo, the specs. It was a custom build. I know a bunch of you guys got especially the turbo heads, the guys that actually work with turbos, and people oh, you think you're so special. It's nothing special about the turbo. It is special. It's a fully custom one-off. It's not just a regular hybrid turbo. Otherwise I would have got like a VR Performance or KT4 Performance one. There's a bunch of companies out there that make them. I did not want to go that route. I wanted something custom, and I'm going to give you guys a little more details on what kind of turbo this is, like what is it compared to according to the turbo builder. He was really excited about building this. It took forever. It took like half a year to build the turbo, but maybe COVID and all that stuff, I don't know what was been going on, or because he's been doing, I think, batches, like doing a bunch of like big orders, and I don't think I was a priority. For exhaust manifold, that took 4 months, I think, or something like that. The turbo took 6 months, so I don't know. It was a little bit nerve-wracking for me, but whatever. And I also got my injectors. I got somebody from Canada, I believe. Yeah, I got them for like, I think, 500 bucks shipped or something like that, to my house. The Bosch 750cc injector, just plug and play. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna give you guys more details on that. Okay, first of all, I'm just gonna let you guys look in there. If any of you guys gearheads, you want to look in there, see how it looks. That's the intake side. Let's see the exhaust side now. It looks just like that. And yeah, that's the turbo, ceramic coated exhaust side. And I think this is painted, I believe, or something. It looks like that, or coated of some sort. And then this is the exhaust manifold. I don't know if any of you guys are interested. You can see that they did a little bit here. I know Elevate told me there's probably impossible to properly port this, but anyways, it seems like they did a bit. Same thing for here. I don't know, it's probably gonna be very hard to see in the video, but it's definitely, you can tell that it's been ported. It's been actually, somebody tried to do something with this. I'm like, I'm not rich, so I wanted to go like, something that's reliable and maybe a little bit better than stock. So what, other than try to get some porting done on the stock manifold. And then obviously the 750cc injectors. Let me take one out for you guys so you can look at it. Maybe I can show you guys the part number for it. Oops. They're Bosch. I don't know if any of you guys can see this, but yeah, they are 750cc, as you can see. I don't know, the top number is 0280158117, and then the bottom one is 7-19-10-11-21-4251. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I don't know if that matters. But anyways, I thought it might give you some guys, the numbers. Maybe you guys want to order, or see if you can order somewhere else. But yeah, that's the injector. Okay, so as I said, on the turbo, I was talking to some Chris from my PD. I was talking about tuning and all that. He asked me some specs, so I went back to the turbo bay guy, the turbo builder. I forget his name. It's been a while since I talked to him. Anyways, that doesn't matter, but either way, I asked him what the specs are, so he can give me for tuning. And he told me the one that you can compare it to, that's very similar pretty much in power wise and all that. He said it's on par with the 60 trim turbo compressor wheel, and then a T3 to T4 hybrid turbo builds. If any of you turbo heads know anything what that means. And then the exhaust side, he said it's about 52 to 55 pounder. So whatever that means, I'm not gonna act like I know what all that means, but yeah, 60 trim turbo compressor wheel, T4 T3 turbo hybrid, about an exhaust side about 52 to 55 pounder. So yeah, that's the specs on the turbo. You guys saw the visual of it. Hopefully this helps a bunch of you guys out. But yeah, I'm just waiting to clear out some of my stuff, which probably gonna happen by the end of this month with my remodeling and everything up. I ended up selling the 850. I didn't have time to mess with it. The S60R is working properly, everything. Thanks to Ximodex. They've been big help. Without them, I don't think the car will be running. And yeah, they actually sent me this hat. It's a pretty cool hat. Either way, yeah. So the 60R is done. So all my cars are done now. The red car is next in line. I'm gonna do a bunch of services with it when I'm doing the stage 3. So I'm gonna pull the turbo, swap the manifolds, install the new turbo, install the wastegate, elevate wastegate, install the elevate ECRV, the diverter valve, install the injectors, and then the tuning. That's about it. And then I also have to do a left front wheel bearing, because when I hit the pothole with bent the wheels, I damaged it and it makes noise. And then I'm gonna do a transmission service again. This is the 3rd or 4th time now. Differentials and all that. So anyways, yeah, that's my plan. I just wanted to give you guys an update what I got, I already have all the upgrades for my car. So now I gotta install it, find time to install it, and then the tuning. I don't know, Hilton obviously is out there for stage 3 tuning. I looked into other ones. I've been talking to some people. I don't know if there's going to be anybody else that would be willing to or would be able to tune it for me. But yeah, either way, my plan is to go with Hilton. But like I said, unless somebody offers me something more interesting, I'm always open to, you know, I don't hate on companies. I try to get the best tuning available. So far it's been Hilton for me. I don't know anybody else that tunes better, especially on the Volvos, the P3s. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a bunch of me talking, but I know a lot of you guys, especially that are serious into these builds, you guys appreciate this kind of info that I give you. So hopefully this is one for one of you guys. I know this is not action packed like racing, drag racing. We're gonna get there. I'm also gonna make probably one more drag strip video, like quarter mile, before I do the stage 3. I'm gonna try to, at least. I can't, you know, that's what my plan was, to put a few gallons of E85, like 2 gallons on full tank, and see if that changes anything. It's dry weather now, so maybe it's opened up now. So yeah, that's my plan. Thank you guys for watching this video, staying with me if you guys watched it to the end. If you guys have any questions or, you know, comment in the comments below. Let me know, you know, I will reply, do my best to reply to them. And yeah, thank you guys for watching again. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and as usual, see you next time.